So today I'm going to be cleaning some area rugs. So I'm going to take them outside and clean them. So this is the area we're going to clean them. Over here, area over here, we're going to dry them. So the first thing I'm going to do is sweep the patio. So it doesn't have to be spotless, but I just want to get it clean enough so that I'm not stepping on, a lot of dirt and pine needles. Okay, so here's the painter's drop cloth. It's 9 by 12. So I'm just going to roll this out and then cut it in half. One half will go on the side that I'm washing the rugs on. The other half will go over the side that I'm going to dry the rugs on. Okay, so I'm just going to put one in here and then roll it out. Okay, so it's 12 feet long, so you can eyeball it, but since I got a tape measure, I wanted to make sure it was right in the middle. So this is where I'm going to cut it, right at 6 feet. Okay, so there's 6 feet. So cut right there. Move this out of the way. Okay. All right, now I got 2 equal pieces. So this is the rugs we're going to do. Look in the back. It tells you, the company and what they're made out of. This is made out of polypropylene. Polypropylene is like it's kind of like a plastic derivative. And it's 100%. And then they give instructions: remove spills immediately. If liquid blot with clean undyed cloth for hard to remove stains, professional rug cleaning is recommended. But I've done this many times and I haven't heard it. And again, if you've got like a really good rug, these aren't all that expensive. If you got a really good rug, yeah, you're going to want a professional rug cleaner to do it. These are just, everyday, throw rugs. They look fine in the house. So we're just going to give them a nice cleaning. But first, we're going to give it a little bit of a vacuum to get up any of loose, dirt particles such as that. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is spray it and get it nice and wet. I'm going to use just regular laundry detergent. I'm using this one here in a little bucket. I'm not going to put that much in there. Maybe about, like that. Dump it in there like that, just to get it sudsy. And spray it. And then I'm going to apply it with a nice nylon bristle brush. Okay, so I got them all done. I wanted to show you. You look at the bristles here. You can see a lot of fibers that didn't come up with the vacuum. So this got a little more of them. So it's going to be really a very clean rug. So now we're just going to spray them off. So I'm going to spray this little one first, because if I spray the big one, see, I'm going to be moving soapy water onto the little one. So I'm going to get the little one first and then get it out of the way, put it over to dry. And I'm going to take the soap off in the way of the grain of the carpet. It's just going outwards like that. Wring off the excess water. Get rid of all that water. And then I'm just going to put it down on this cart, and luckily, I got a lot of sun today. It's just going to stay there right now. Got a little bit of breeze, a little bit of sun, and it's warm today. It's going to be in the 90s, so that should dry pretty fast. Okay, so now that's drying. I'm going to go spray off the other one. All right, that looks sufficiently sprayed off. Now, if I thought the other one was pretty heavy when I lifted it up, this one's going to be heavier. So I got the other one over here now. It was too heavy to do by hand, so I had to put the phone down, which I'm recording off of. And so now we're just gonna let them dry out here. It's a hot day, sun's out. It won't take too long. Okay, so the rug is all dried now. I got it back in its place. It took a while because of the material it's made out of, polypropylene, which is a plastic vinyl derivative. But anyway, it's all dry. I took a vacuum to it and got any of dust particles that could have got on it from the outside. And now it's all clean and looks beautiful. Thank you for watching.